Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to easily create color blend text effect in CapCut PC. So for example, I'm going to add the black screen and go to text, select default text and adjust for the duration the same length with the duration of the text and change for the text. For example, you can change for the font style and then go to animation, select loop animation and you can find the color flame. But this is for effect. You have to join properties to be able to use this effect. Add to the track and here we go. This is the final effect you have on your text. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.